Dear students, myself Dr. Deepti Srivastav, Associate Professor in Zoology, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today we will discuss on order Crocodilia. As we know that Crocodilia is an order of class Reptilia. Crocodilia or Crocodilia is an order of mostly large predatory semi-aquatic reptiles known as crocodilians. They first appeared 95 million years ago in the late Cretaceous period and are the closest living relatives of birds, as the two groups are the only known survivors of the Archosauria. Alternative titles are Crocodilia, Crocodilia, or Crocodilian. Crocodile, order Crocodilia or Crocodilia. Any of 23 species of generally large, ponderous, amphibious animals of lizard like appearance and carnivorous habit belonging to the reptile order Crocodilia. Crocodiles have powerful jaws with many conical teeth and short legs with clawed webbed toes. They share a unique body form that allows the eyes, ears, and nostrils to be above the water surface, while most of the animal is hidden below. The tail is long and massive, and the skin is thick and plated. All crocodiles have a relatively long snout or muzzle, which varies considerably in shape and proportion. The scales that cover most of the body generally are arranged in a regular pattern, and thick bony plates occur on the back. Families and genera are primarily distinguished by differences in skull anatomy. Species are identified principally by the proportions of the snout, by the bony structures on the dorsal or upper surface of the snout, and by the number and the arrangement of the scales. The crocodilians include some of the largest living reptiles. These formidable and carnivorous lizard like creatures live mainly in tropical freshwater rivers. Their body is long, cylindrical, depressed, and head elongated into a flat snout with nostrils at its tip. Massive tail is laterally compressed, forming a powerful swimming appendage. Limbs are short but strong, pentadactyl, clawed and webbed. Skin is thick, leathery with horny scutes. Those on back and belly rectangular and supported by dermal bony plates. Tail bears dorsally a crest of broad plates, double in the basal half but single in the distal half. Cloaca is a longitudinal slit. Two pairs of musk glands are present, one on throat and the other in cloaca. These large reptiles are well adapted for an aquatic existence. Nostrils, eyes, and ear openings are placed high on the head and remain exposed even when the whole animal is immersed in water. Thus, breathing, seeing, and hearing remain uninterrupted. When the animal dives, nostrils are closed by valves, nictitating membranes are drawn over eyes and ear openings, shut by skin flaps. A complete hard palate separates the nasal and oral cavities, and an intranasal epiglottis closes the windpipe at the back so that animal can open its mouth underwater to feed, at the same time breathing with its nostrils above water. Crocodilians differ from all other reptiles in having certain advanced characteristics such as thecodont teeth set in sockets, a relatively complete bony palate, lungs in pleural cavities separated from the rest of the body cavity by a muscular diaphragm analogous to that of mammals, completely four chambered heart, and a simple but grooved copulatory organ in male. All crocodilians are oviparous. Usually 20 to 50 eggs are laid in a heap of dead vegetation or sand. The largest of all crocodilians is the saltwater or estuarine crocodile, Crocodylus porosus of southeastern Asia. It grows to 8 to 9 meters and is very much feared. The freshwater crocodile, Crocodylus palustris, known as mugger, is widely distributed in India and reaches a length of 5 meters. The single species of gravial or ghadi- ghadial Gravialis gangeticus lives in the Gangas and Brahmaputra river systems and grows to 8 meters. There are two species of alligators, Chinese and American. The American alligator, Alligator mississippiensis, inhabits the southeastern parts of North America. Table to tabulate some of the distinguishing characteristics of Crocodylus, alligator, and Gravialis. Table shows distinction of Crocodylus, alligator, and Gravialis. Characters. First, distribution. Crocodylus, Central America, Africa, Asia, Malaya, Indonesia, North Australia, and alligator found in North America, China. Gravialis found in India. The most common species of Crocodylus is Crocodylus palustris, and common species of alligator is Alligator mississippiensis and Gravialis gangeticus. Habits. Crocodylus is more aggressive, dangerous to man. Alligator is less aggressive, attack when provoked. Gravialis can eat only fish because of narrow throat. Body length. Crocodylus is about 8 meters long, alligator 3 meters long, and Gravialis 6 meters long. Color. Color of Crocodylus is olive green with black spots or bands. Alligator steel gray in color. and Graveolus dark olive green. Snout. Snout in Crocodylus is moderately long and pointed, while in alligator snout is short, broad and rounded, and in Graveolus it is very long and slender. Mandibular rami. In Crocodylus, mandibles united up to eighth tooth. In alligator, united up to fifth tooth, and in Graveolus, united up to 14th tooth. Teeth. In Crocodylus, there are 18 or 19 similar teeth. In alligator, 17 to 22 slightly different teeth, and in Graveolus, 27 to 29 similar teeth. Fourth mandibular tooth. Crocodylus fits into a maxillary groove and visible externally. In alligator, fits into a pit and not visible externally. Here in this diagram we can see the heads of crocodile, alligator and Graveolus to illustrate their differences. Upper row shows shape of heads and width of snout in dorsal view. Lower row shows arrangement of teeth in lateral view. So, here we can see the narrow snout of crocodile, broader and rounded snout of alligator and very long and narrow snout of Graveolus. In crocodile, large in fourth mandibular tooth visible externally because of presence of groove. In alligator, pit for fourth mandibular tooth not visible externally. And Graveolus, both jaws shows teeth, upper jaw and in lower jaw we can see the teeth. These are the diagrams of crocodile, alligator and Graveolus. This is Crocodylus porosus, which lived in salt water. This is Crocodylus palustres, which is freshwater mugger. This is alligator Mississippiensis, and this is Graveolus gangeticus. Crocodiles are a living link with the dinosaur like reptiles of prehistoric times and are the nearest living relatives of the birds. A large variety of crocodilian fossils have been discovered that date back 200 million years of the late Triassic epoch. Fossil evidence also suggests that three major radiations occurred. Only one of the four suborders of crocodiles has survived to modern times. The order Crocodilia includes the true crocodiles, alligators, caimans, and graveels. General features: size, range, and diversity of structure. Crocodiles are the largest and the heaviest of present day reptiles. The largest representatives, the Nile crocodile, Crocodilus niloticus of Africa, and the eustrine or saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus of Australia, attain length of up to 6 meters, that is 20 feet, and weight over 1000 kilogram, about 2200 pounds. Some fossil forms such as Deinosuchus and Sarcosuchus may have been between 10 and 12 meters, that is 33 and 40 feet long. In comparison, the smallest species, the small fronted caiman, Paleosuchus, and the dwarf crocodile, Osteolaemus tetraspis, reach about 1.7 meters, that is about 6 feet in length as adults. Throughout their range, crocodile populations have declined as human occupation and land use change has reduced their habitat. Many crocodilian species have been greatly depleted by overhunting for their valuable skins, which provide leather for handbags, shoes, belts, and other articles. Local use of crocodiles for meat and medicines is also widespread. People living near crocodiles often dislike them because they become entangled in fish nets, prey on pets and livestock, and occasionally kill people. Thank you.